Sports, food and drinks. 1,
Golf.
2,
Baseball.
3,
Tennis.
4,
Swimming.
5,
Tomatoes.
6,
Chicken.
7,
Strawberries.
8,
Crisps.
9,
Italian food.
10,
Chocolate.
11,
Tea.
12,
Coffee.
13,
Beer.
14,
Wine.
15,
Water.
16.
Milkshake.
5.2. Things I like.
I like chocolate. I like baseball.
5.3. Things I don't like.
I don't like tomatoes. I don't like football.
5.4. Dexter.
What do I like? I like sports a lot, but not all sports. I like baseball. My daddy likes baseball too. We play baseball on Sunday mornings. I like tennis too. I have lessons at the weekend with my sister. Oh, and I love swimming. I don't like golf, but my daddy loves it. And food and drink. What do I like? Well, I like ice cream and crisps. I like Italian food a lot, but I don't like chicken. And I really don't like tomatoes. Yuck. I like milkshake. I really love strawberry milkshake. It's delicious.
5.5. Questions.
Do you like golf?
Yes, I do.
Do you like tennis?
No, I don't.
5.6. Dexter and Daisy.
Dexter and Daisy, your brother and sister. Do you like the same things?
Well, I sometimes don't like Dexter when he's horrible to me.
Well, he is your big brother.
Yeah, but we both really like ice cream. It's great.
Yeah.
What else do you like?
Well, we both like chocolate. I love chocolate. Chocolate is delicious, especially chocolate milkshake. Yeah, we both like milkshake. It's fantastic.
So, what don't you like?
Well, we definitely don't like tomatoes, do we, Daisy? Tomatoes are horrible. Yuck! I hate tomatoes. They're disgusting.
Do you both like sports?
Yes, we do. We like tennis. We play on Saturday mornings. Yes, we like tennis a lot. It's really exciting. And I love baseball, and Daddy loves it too. It's really cool.
Do you like baseball, Daisy?
No, I don't. Baseball is boring.
This is Dave. He's trying to learn a language the traditional way. But they all...
This is Borough Market in South London.